to my channel. My name is Asama Kajana. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you're part of the family, welcome back sweetie, welcome back honey. Do not forget to like and comment. So guys, today's video I'll be unboxing a package from TAKEALOT. It's a blender, smoothie blender, juice blender, milkshake blender, whatever you call it. So yes guys, I bought this at TAKEALOT, so yeah, you should definitely try them out. So guys, let's see what's in the box. Yay. So guys, I already opened the box. Yes, I was super excited, so I just couldn't wait to see what was inside. I just saw what was inside, but then I didn't take everything out. Okay, sure, I think I should stand here. So yeah, let's see. This is it from TAKEALOT, Okay. What's in that bag? That's a really good question. Oh guys, I'm short, Yeah. Ooh, ta-da! You like it? Thank you. This is what is inside the box, guys. This is the blender, the smoothie blender, the juice blender, the milkshake don, whatever you call it. This is it. I bought this at TAKEALOT at a very affordable price. You should also check them out. And yes guys, there are a lot of these actually. There are even the portable ones, where the ones that are like a bottle, like you can just blend it wherever you are. You like, it's more like a water bottle, but then it's a blender. Isn't it that cool? So yeah, you can just buy yourself that one, but then I didn't want to get myself that one because I'm like, I feel like I needed this one because this one comes out with 2 bottles, as you guys can see. This is a big bottle and this is a small bottle. They were all the same price, but I was like, no, I think I need this one. I like these ones because they have 2 this one, I like this one because it has like 2 bottles. The one I can use for blending my smoothies or whatever, and then the other one I can use as my water bottle. Yeah, well. So yep, if you also want to get yourself this one, or you just want a portable blender, you can get that one out as well. You can get these at a very affordable price. So yeah, this is the blender, you guys, the Nutri blender. This is the blender. This is the blender, and these are the things that are inside. Yeah, so now let's open the box and see the things that they say are inside. Okay. So this is the manual. Okay. So guys, this is the blender. See? Oh, but why are there 3 bottles here? Maybe there's another one which comes with 3 bottles, but then the one I ordered came with 2 bottles. I ordered one with 2 bottles. So yep, this is the manual. Yeah, blender pass, and dun and everything else you can think of. So guys, let's open up. This is, I think this one is for one of the bottles. Okay, 2 of these because we have 2 bottles. Okay, this is the small bottle. It's 400 milliliters. This one is 400 milliliters. This is the one. This is the small one. The coolest thing about these is because you can literally close it with whichever don you want to use. Let's say you lose one, you can use the other one. You can close it with the other one. Okay, this is the big one. So this is the big one. How many milliliters is it? I can't see it, okay? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Huh? Huh? Look guys, I cannot see. And then now for me to see, I have to remove this. I have to remove this rubber thing of which I don't want to do that right now. So yeah, now we're closing this one also. Yeah, this is the bigger one. This is the bigger bottle. See how cute they are. The smaller, the smallest, the bigger, the biggest. Yeah, this is the small one and this is the bigger one, and just yeah, this one I think I'm gonna use this one as a water bottle, and this is the one I'm gonna use to blend everything, like how I used to blend my smoothies, my juices, and everything else you can think of. Okay, this is the blender base. This is the blender base. This is the blender base. Yep. And let's check what else is inside. And this is the blender. Yay. Oh guys, it's an electric blender as well. You have to connect it to electricity. You have to connect it. And this is the button. No? You have mixed your everything, and then now you want to blend your smoothies. You click here, it goes. Yeah, I'll show you guys, alright? So yeah, and guys, TAKEALOT is so sweet. These came out with a mask. So yeah, let's see my mask. This is my mask. Ooh. This came up with this mask. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I wish it's. Oh, I want you guys to see. Yeah, came out with this mask. Isn't it that cute? It's super cute. So guys, this is how I'll assemble my blender. This is the one. This is the bottle I'm gonna use as a blender for my smoothies and everything else. So yep, let's just put everything in place and just get on with it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna connect my blender there. So let's just place out everything together. I see. And then let me just mix out everything so that I can show you guys how y'all make your smoothies. Yep. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna mix out anything to show you guys how I blend and everything, how I use the blender. So I'll just put on the little spinach that I have. You guys already know how much I love spinach, man. So yeah, and I'll just take green apple. Then, oh my god, yo guys, I'm so tired. I had a very long day, that's why. In the morning, it's so nice. But it's nice, you know, but what do I'm not a target market, yeah. Let me just not say what or for me, what or it's expensive for me. Not a target market. But then my street friend decided to buy one. So yep guys, there's a spinach, green apples, and then that shake. So nice. So now I'm just gonna mix it with water because I don't like mixing milk with spinach. I don't know why. I think I read it somewhere that it's somewhat not healthy, but then nothing is healthy in this world, so you just never know. So I'll try to at least put in a lot of water because this shake tends to make your smoothies too thick when you put in a little bit of water. So yeah, this is it, guys. And I'll go to gym in just a few hours. Yes, guys, so now I'm about to blend everything. This is how you put it in. You see, it was like this, and now you closed your bottle, and now you place it like this on the base, and then it's like this, eh? And then you have to like boom, turn around to place it perfectly fine, or just to place it perfectly or the desired way. Yeah, and then you press here to start blending. You control it. It's not automatic. So yep, our smoothie is done. It looks so nice. It looks so just, everything's okay. Everything's alright. Oh yeah. And it came out exactly the way I wanted it to be, because I did not want it to be thick. So yeah. Yep. And that's how you okay. So yes, guys, that was the blender. That was the juice blender. There was the smoothie blender. You can get it at TAKEALOT. It's you can get it at TAKEALOT. It's a very affordable price. You guys remember I told you guys to not underestimate TAKEALOT. They honestly have really nice deals there, so please do make sure you check them out and get yourself whatever you want, honey, and go get your blender, honey, for them smoothies. And it's summer now, so go get that blender, sis. Go get that blender, king, and sort your life out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please do like and comment, you know, it helps my channel to grow, you know. Please do comment, leave a comment and like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.